Bollywood is a source of entertainment, inspiration, excitement. And what we really wanted to do was to take inspiration from a fashion perspective of one of Bollywood's strongest iconic celebrities, Alia, and to bring out her sense of fashion through products, apparel and jewelry, her interpretation of it, to bring it to the India. Very happy and proud to be a part of this association with Alia, and looking forward to taking this strength to strength. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming. Today is a very special day for me. So a couple of days ago, we were shooting for this collection, and I was trying on this pair of jeans. And you know, I'm used to doing fittings. So when I was trying the jeans on, I was putting it on, I said, wow, they fit well. And when I turned around, I was looking at myself in the mirror, I saw my name at the back of my jeans. And I was like, okay, this is cool, you know. I don't think I would have ever imagined to have my own clothing line. And that's why I'm very, very grateful and thankful to Jabong for giving me this opportunity to have my own collection, Alia Bhatt for Jabong. The collection is very simple, it's very me. From the very beginning, I didn't want this to be just something that, you know, I say, oh, Alia Bhatt for Jabong, and they do whatever, and I say, okay, this is my collection. I wanted to be involved in it. So we sat on it, we discussed, because it's a fall-winter collection. You know, there are a lot of sweatshirts, there are like tights, there are like dresses, and it's very boho chic. And I said, you know, I want, like if you, I don't know if you noticed, but like one of the t-shirts had like currently unavailable written on it. That's something that I said, please can you put that on a t-shirt, that I'm currently unavailable. So that is like, I am that involved in this. So it is very, very personal for me, and it is very special. The colors are like, you know, the colors that I like is a little black, it's a little blue. The jeans, if you see, are not just the typical jeans. There are prints on it, there, you know, there's some graphic, there's acid wash jeans, there's some, you know, texture, there's some prints. So it is not just like that. And my main thing was that I want everybody to enjoy it. And Jabong is the ultimate fashion destination for India. Everybody in India, anybody who wants to buy my collection, just go on Jabong and it'll be right on your doorstep. And yeah, I think you all should also now immediately go and buy some, all girls. Thank you.
Thank you. We'd now like to open the session for Q&A. Please raise your hands so we can hand over the mics to you.
Hi Alia, Alok here from OFM.
Hello.
सवाल ये इतने साल हो गए आपसे पूछा नहीं, आलिया का मतलब क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली?
आलिया का मतलब होता है exalted. Exalted का मतलब ये होता है, actually जब बचपन में I would also ask my mom this question. So I said, Mama, what does Alia mean? And she would, क्योंकि मैं बच्ची थी obviously, she would say something high up in the sky. So I look up in the sky and I see a star. So I said, am I a star? She said, yeah, you're a star. तो मैं बचपन से ऐसे एक क्रेज था कि मैं something high up in the sky बनना चाहती हूँ. My name means exalted. Exalted is like this higher power, higher being. So anything high that you look up to, or something like that.
इंडस्ट्री से क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आए हैं जब आपने ये लॉन्च करने का या अपनी क्लोथिंग?
अभी लॉन्च हुआ है, तो अभी तक I don't know anybody's seen, but hopefully मतलब I'll get a go ahead, especially from Karan. I want one go ahead from Karan.
Yeah, hi Alia, Shikha from Sunny. I would ask, आपने किस तरह की प्रिपरेशन की है, स्पेशली फॉर रैम्प पर वॉक करने के लिए? कुछ खास तरह की तैयारी की कि इस स्टाइल में, इस पोज में कुछ सोचा, कुछ अलग तरह की
मतलब रैम्प पे वॉक करने के लिए I walked on ramp and all. I mean, I'm not the model. हाँ?
आप कुछ अलग ही अपील दे रही थी आज.
अलग ही अपील? कौन सी टाइप की अपील?
हमेशा की तरह नहीं, आज कुछ अलग ही अपील थी जब आप रैम्प पर वॉक कर रही थी. So कुछ खास तैयारी की थी क्या?
But define, no, what अलग type of appeal?
You're not feeling.
हाँ?
You're not feeling.
I'm not feeling.
आपको नहीं लग रहा है कुछ खास तरह का कुछ?
खास?
सभी ये बात कर रहे थे कि कुछ अलग सी अपील आज आपके.
हाँ, maybe. I am a little like, actually it was really strange क्योंकि जब मैं backstage खड़ी थी वहाँ पे TV, तो मैं देख रही थी ऐसे सारे models को walk करते हुए, तो I was feeling like Manish Malhotra, you know, who would stand behind the stage. Or I was like getting अच्छा नहीं वो अच्छी चल रही, okay, you know this, now looking very nice, the costume this, the jacket थोड़ा out. So I actually felt like that. So it's cool. I've never felt it was interesting. It was very interesting.
वेरी गुड
आलिया बॉलीवुड में से किसी डिज़ाइन करने का आपका मन है कि इसके लिए मैं कुछ डिज़ाइन करूं?
See, my collection is out there for every girl. You know, it's a universal like approach. Like a 20-something girl, a mid-20-something girl, a 30-something girl, a 35-something girl. Everybody can wear the clothes that I have. Like I've designed.
लेकिन कोई पर्टिकुलर कोई किसी के लिए आप करना चाहती हैं?
Which one you want? Anybody? I don't know. No, you want one name, no? Yeah.
Of course.
परिणीति. देखो हंसी आ गई ना साइड से. परिणीति.
लड़कों के लिए कभी कुछ?
I don't think I understand. I don't know. अभी तक तो ये एक capsule collection है. It is for, you know, it's my personal thing. तो when maybe if I understand boys थोड़ा सा तब मैं लड़कों के लिए कपड़े बनाऊंगी. I don't really understand boys very well. That's one of the things that I gave, yeah. I just like, we were sitting in this thing, so I was like, okay, let me think of like few one-liners, you know, kabhi-kabhi t-shirt pe hota hai. Like if you see in the collection, there's a lot of inspiration with animals. Like there is tiger print, there's a cat print, there's a horse print. Because I'm obsessed with animals, especially cats, because I have 2 cats at home. So मैंने वो भी, like, I've kind of tried to fit that in and very, very nicely. And I was very impressed and very excited that the Jabong team incorporated my, you know, suggestions in the collection. So it is actually very personal. Oh, no. No, that is just something that I just thought, like currently unavailable is cute and cool. I'm currently unavailable, bro. That kinds.
Hi Alia, how would you
Hi.
say does your personal style translate onto all the pieces or at least a few of them?
For example, if you, there was this tie and dye kind of crop top which was knotted with these graphic jeans, white and blue on one side. That is something that is very me. It is a little boho, but at the same time it's casual and comfortable, you know. Then there was this star sweater, which is like full sleeves, and as I said, it's a fall winter collection, so there was a sweater which was like off shoulder. That's something that I always do. Whenever I'm wearing a sweater, I always put it off shoulder, you know, because it looks nice. You show off your collarbones, your shoulders a little bit, looks nice. So in that way, and if you see that the cut also of the top is a little off, and I like that. Like it's not perfect. I like the little imperfections in, you know, what you bring out.
Mr. Chandramohan, a question for you. Yeah. Why did you choose Alia as a partner in this album? Obviously, she's a very chic girl, but there must have been some thought process behind it. Thank you.
See, you know, it just came statistically, yeah, and we did focus groups and everything. I think in terms of style and fashion inspiration, she really stood out. Resonated very well with our consumer base, and I think it was overwhelmingly from a focus group perspective, consumer group insights. So for us, largely, it was a no-brainer.
I like Sonam's sense of style a lot. I've said that all the time. She's very like she will just do what she wants to do. Amitabh Bachchan, I think, styles himself superbly. Smiling at me. Huh? Dhire dhire. Dhire dhire.
Alia.
That is a dream. It is a dream.
Alia.
Definitely, yes.
Here.
I don't know.
Here.
Oh, hi.
You've been introduced by Karan Johar and he is also known for his fashion statements.
Yes.
How much he has influenced and inspired you for this?
Karan, like the reason I don't know, because when I first met Karan, I was much heavier and I was a girl from school, and I was always interested in fashion, but it always looked better on the mannequin than it looked on me. So I never really understood what is happening. So I didn't know how to put it together eventually, but I was always interested. I always had this thing कि एक दिन मुझे ऐसे लगना है, वैसे लगना है. Obviously, when I was auditioning for student, I lost weight, this, that, and then because my character Shania was so into clothes and dressing up and, you know, glamorous, she's a very glamorous avatar. So because of that, I kind of got into loving fashion and loving dressing up. And dressing up is like the most significant part of a girl's life. Every girl needs to, like I think we spend maximum of our time dressing up, you know, for going somewhere, for not going somewhere else, sometimes you just feel like dressing up. So I enjoy it. I take my time and I enjoy it.
आलिया तो ये आप इसका श्रेय अपने ये
हाँ, तो basically Karan has a great influence on that. Also, his fashion sense is outstanding. So whenever sometimes I come to the office and he says, not happening. And then sometimes I say, oh, really nice. I like what you're wearing. So that also gives me a little like, you know, okay, you're doing well. That kinds.
तो आलिया के ये आपके लिए फ्यूचर बहुत सारे एक्ट्रेस जो हैं वो आगे के लिए उन्होंने अपना लाइन लॉन्च किया है तो क्या इसे आगे के लिए आप अभी से सिक्योर करना चाहती हैं
Means?
मींस कि फ्यूचर एक्टिंग के बाद आगे इस ये भी सिंगिंग भी सब कुछ साथ साथ
I've not started this like a business yet. ये बस एक मतलब छोटी सी एक hobby है almost for me. So let's see if it gets welcomed and appreciated. We never know. But as of for now, this is what it is. It's a capsule collection.
अच्छा एक चीज और जानना चाहेंगे आपने भी कहा कि लड़कों के लिए नहीं क्योंकि लड़कों को मैं ठीक से समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ इसका क्या
उसकी वजह से नहीं कहा है. I said I don't think. I said I'm not done it. I don't think I understand boys very well. But because it's my personal side, तो मैं लड़का थोड़ी हूँ. मैं लड़की हूँ ना. तो it's personal, right? So it'll be for girls, the clothes, right?
Certain things happen and it's understanding. Even certain things you plan, it never happens. This one I met Kapil Sibal Saab at a common friend's house around a year back and